When it comes to luxury watches, one brand stands above all others: Rolex. For more than a century, Rolex has been a symbol of prestige, precision, craftsmanship, and success. Whether you're a seasoned collector, a first-time luxury watch buyer, or simply someone who appreciates exceptional engineering, Rolex remains the benchmark by which all other luxury watches are measured. Founded in 1905, Rolex has built a reputation unlike any other watchmaker. The brand pioneered numerous innovations that transformed the watch industry, including the first waterproof wristwatch, the first self-winding mechanism with a perpetual rotor, and some of the most reliable movements ever created. In 2026, Rolex continues to dominate the luxury watch market with a collection of iconic models that combine timeless design with modern technology. While trends come and go, Rolex watches remain highly desirable because they offer something rare in today's world: true longevity. These are watches that can be worn every day, passed down through generations, and still look relevant decades later. Another reason Rolex remains so popular is value retention. Unlike many luxury items that lose value after purchase, several Rolex models have become highly collectible and often appreciate over time. For many buyers, a Rolex is more than a watch. It's an investment, a milestone, and a statement of achievement. Today, we're taking a closer look at the top 5 best Rolex watches in 2026. We'll explore what makes each model special, who it's best suited for, and why collectors around the world continue to chase these incredible timepieces. Let's begin. Number 5. Rolex Datejust 41. Starting our list at number 5 is the Rolex Datejust 41. If someone asked watch enthusiasts to recommend one Rolex that can do everything, the Datejust would almost certainly be near the top of the list. The Datejust first appeared in 1945 and immediately changed the watch industry. It became the world's first self-winding chronometer wristwatch, featuring an automatically changing date display. More than 80 years later, it remains one of Rolex's most successful and recognizable watches. The Datejust 41 combines classic elegance with modern performance. It is a watch that looks equally comfortable in a boardroom, at a wedding, during travel, or while enjoying a casual weekend. One of the reasons the Datejust remains so popular is its incredible versatility. Rolex offers countless combinations of dial colors, bezels, bracelets, and materials. Buyers can choose a fluted bezel for a more traditional Rolex appearance or a smooth bezel for a cleaner, contemporary look. The famous Jubilee bracelet provides exceptional comfort and sophistication, while the Oyster bracelet offers a sportier aesthetic. Dial options include black, blue, silver, green, champagne, slate, and several texture designs. This allows owners to select a configuration that perfectly matches their personality and lifestyle. Inside the Datejust 41 is Rolex's caliber 32-35 movement. This advanced movement delivers outstanding accuracy, impressive reliability, and approximately 70 hours of power reserve. It also incorporates Rolex's Chronergy escapement, which improves efficiency and overall performance. The watch features a 41mm Oyster case and offers water resistance up to 100 meters, making it suitable for daily wear and occasional water activities. What truly makes the Datejust special is its timelessness. While many luxury watches are tied to specific trends, the Datejust has maintained its appeal across multiple generations. Whether you're purchasing your first Rolex or adding another piece to an established collection, the Datejust 41 remains one of the smartest choices available in 2026. Number 4. Rolex Date 40. Coming in at number 4 is the legendary Rolex Date 40. Often referred to as the President's Watch, the Date has become one of the most prestigious watches ever produced. Introduced in 1956, the Date was the first wristwatch capable of displaying both the day of the week spelled out in full and the date. This groundbreaking innovation quickly helped establish the model as one of Rolex's flagship timepieces. Over the decades, the Date has appeared on the wrists of presidents, CEOs, world leaders, celebrities, and successful entrepreneurs. Its association with achievement and influence has only strengthened its reputation. Unlike many other Rolex watches, the Day Date is available exclusively in precious metals. Buyers can choose between yellow gold, white gold, Eve Rose gold, or platinum. Rolex does not produce a stainless steel version, ensuring the Day Date remains one of the brand's most exclusive offerings. One of its defining features is the famous President bracelet. Designed specifically for the Day Date, this bracelet combines comfort, durability, and elegance in a way few watch bracelets can match. The Day Date 40 is powered by Rolex's Caliber 3255 movement. This movement represents some of Rolex's most advanced engineering, offering remarkable precision and a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Rolex offers an incredible variety of dial options for the Day Date. Buyers can select traditional sunburst dials, diamond set versions, meteorite dials, mother-of-pearl designs, and other luxury configurations. The Day Date is not designed for extreme sports or deep-sea exploration. Instead, it focuses on luxury, prestige, and refinement. For many collectors, owning a Day Date represents reaching an important milestone in life. It symbolizes success, achievement, and appreciation for exceptional craftsmanship. In 2026, the Day Date continues to be one of the most respected luxury watches in the world. Number 3. Rolex GMT-Master II. Taking the third position on our list is the Rolex GMT-Master II. Originally developed for professional airline pilots, the GMT-Master II has evolved into one of the most sought-after Rolex sports watches ever created. Its primary purpose is tracking multiple time zones simultaneously. This functionality makes it especially useful for travelers, business professionals, and anyone who regularly communicates across different regions of the world. The GMT-Master II features an additional 24-hour hand working alongside a rotating bezel. Together, these components allow wearers to monitor multiple time zones at once. While the technical functionality is impressive, one of the biggest reasons collectors love the GMT-Master II is its iconic bezel designs. Over the years, several versions have become famous throughout the watch community. Nicknames such as Pepsi, Batman, Batgirl, Root Beer, Sprite, and Bruce Wayne have become part of Rolex culture. Each variation offers its own unique personality and collector appeal. The modern GMT-Master II is powered by Rolex's Caliber 3285 movement. This movement provides outstanding accuracy, durability, and approximately 70 hours of power reserve. The watch features a highly durable oyster case, ceramic bezel insert, and water resistance up to 100 meters. What makes the GMT-Master II particularly attractive is its balance between practicality and collectability. Few luxury watches offer such useful functionality while also maintaining strong demand among enthusiasts. For frequent travelers, it may be the perfect Rolex. Even for those who rarely leave their home country, the GMT-Master II remains one of the most visually striking and desirable watches in the Rolex lineup. Number 2. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona. And number 2, we have one of the most famous watches ever created, the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona. The Daytona is widely considered the ultimate chronograph watch. Originally introduced for professional racing drivers, the Daytona quickly established itself as one of Rolex's most iconic models. Named after the legendary Daytona International Speedway in Florida, the watch was designed to help drivers measure speed and elapsed time during races. Over the years, however, the Daytona became much more than a racing tool. It became a status symbol. It became a collector's dream, and it became one of the hardest Rolex watches to obtain. The Daytona's popularity is fueled by several factors. First, it offers a stunning design that balances sportiness and elegance perfectly. Second, Rolex production levels have historically struggled to keep up with demand, creating long waiting lists and strong secondary market values. The modern Daytona features Rolex's Caliber 4131 movement. This sophisticated chronograph movement delivers exceptional reliability, precision, and approximately 72 hours of power reserve. The watch includes a tachymeter bezel that allows wearers to calculate average speeds over a measured distance. Rolex offers the Daytona in stainless steel, yellow gold, white gold, Eve Rose gold, platinum, and various two-tone combinations. Collectors especially appreciate rare dial configurations and limited production variations. One of the reasons the Daytona remains so desirable is its connection to motorsports history. At the same time, its elegant proportions allow it to look just as appropriate with a business suit as it does with casual attire. For many enthusiasts, owning a Daytona represents the pinnacle of watch collecting. Its combination of history, performance, exclusivity, and investment potential makes it one of the strongest Rolex purchases available in 2026. Number 1. Rolex Submariner Date. And finally, taking the number 1 position on our list is the legendary Rolex Submariner Date. If there is one watch that defines Rolex better than any other, it is the Submariner. First introduced in 1953, the Submariner effectively created the blueprint for the modern dive watch. More than 70 years later, it remains one of the most influential and recognizable watches ever made. The Submariner's success comes from its incredible versatility. It can be worn with a suit. It can be worn at the beach. It can be worn while traveling. It can be worn during outdoor adventures. Very few watches perform so well in so many different situations. The modern Submariner Date features a 41mm oyster steel case, a scratch-resistant ceramic bezel, and water resistance up to 300 meters. Inside the watch is Rolex's caliber 30-35 movement, offering exceptional reliability and approximately 70 hours of power reserve. The Submariner also includes Rolex's Glide Lock clasp system, allowing wearers to quickly adjust bracelet size without tools. Despite being designed as a professional dive watch, the Submariner has become one of the most popular everyday luxury watches in the world. Part of its appeal comes from its clean and balanced design. It is sporty without being overly aggressive and luxurious without appearing flashy. Collectors appreciate its history. Divers appreciate its performance. Professionals appreciate its versatility. Investors appreciate its value retention. Simply put, the Submariner excels in nearly every category. If someone could own only one Rolex, the Submariner would likely be the most common answer. It represents everything that has made Rolex successful: durability, reliability, timeless design, innovation, and prestige. That is why the Rolex Submariner Date earns our number 1 spot among the best Rolex watches of 2026. So there you have it, our complete guide to the top 5 best Rolex watches in 2026. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of the Datejust, the prestige of the Date, the travel functionality of the GMT-Master II, the racing heritage of the Daytona, or the unmatched versatility of the Submariner, Rolex continues to produce some of the finest luxury watches in the world. The beauty of Rolex is that there is no wrong choice. Every model offers exceptional craftsmanship, outstanding reliability, and a rich history that few brands can match. If you're considering purchasing a Rolex in 2026, take the time to think about your lifestyle, your personal taste, and how you plan to use the watch. The best Rolex is ultimately the one that feels right on your wrist and brings you enjoyment every time you wear it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury watch reviews, buying guides, and countdown videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.